In this video, we're going to explore the new report generator introduced in version 4 of InSite. The new tab is different to previous versions of InSite and now opens with a blank page. In the past, you could choose between two reports which had a fixed set of pages. The new report generator includes two default reports, but also allows you to create your own reports and define which pages you want included. Workflow has changed. Now you select from the available report list, then click the Generate Report button. We see a small progress bar, then the report is displayed. We can navigate between the report pages either by scrolling using the mouse wheel or using the page selection arrows on the top ribbon. Here we can zoom in and out as before, as well as save the report to a PDF or send it to a printer. The report editor is where we define which pages will be included in a report and also where we create new reports and define their content. To add or remove pages from a report, we select the report, in this case visualization, and using the left-right arrows here, we can copy pages from the available page templates on the left into the report on the right, or remove unwanted pages. In this example, I'll add layout LS, which is short for landscape, to my report. I select the page template, then with the right arrow, add it to the report. If I want to change the page order in the report, I would again select the page, then using the up-down arrow, change its position in the report. Let's create a new report. In the editor, we click New and provide a report name. In this example, I'll create a report to send to my shade sail pole supplier, and we'll call it Sail Poles. I'll add the pole top detail page and then click OK. We select the Sail Poles report and generate the report. If I no longer need a custom report, I can go back into the report editor. Let's use my report called Test and remove all the pages from the report using the left arrow, then click OK. We now see the test report is no longer available in the list of reports. Shadow Settings tool on the ribbon is where we change the time and dates used in the shadow report, and also allows us to change how dark the shadows will be. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need any additional videos, please contact support@mpanel.com.